on rainy, rainy days. Endlessly it seems, the raindrops coming down, deepening puddles into pools, near drowning frogs creating fog upon my side window. Torrentially it seems the clouds release their weight of tears, as if the old gray skies let go of long-kept sorrows, turning morning light into misty gray, creating veils as I look out through my wistful window. Relentlessly it seems, rain upon rain into newborn lakes, filled with raindrops just now received, leaving splashes and watery trails on these my cabin windows.